Today's course will cover a number of discussion points that are geared towards practical use cases, so that you can take what you've learned here today and apply it to a real wealth management practice and real clients. That's not to say that we're not going to get into some of the more academic fundamentals that underpin this topic, but I want to focus on building your hands-on skill set so that you can win business, grow your book, and help your clients meet their goals. Just like with fundamental and technical models, it's very important for you as an advisor to put some time and thought into the value proposition that you bring to your clients by integrating quantitative models into their wealth management solution. Frankly, quant models are a bit like technical models in that they aren't for everyone. Your typical wealth management client with an average amount of investment experience and level of sophistication is going to gravitate towards classic, bottom-up fundamental analysis that will help them grow their portfolio steadily with minimal risks. That said, there is a place for quantitative models in many advisors' practices, especially when working with very high net worth clients who potentially already have a large, well-diversified set of holdings and are looking for either additional diversification or enhanced returns. When communicating with your clients on these types of models, it's important to have a strong rationale behind the specific factors that are included in investment decision-making. For example, if your model screens for companies that have a high level of free cash flow, you'll want to be able to articulate that free cash flow is a key predictor of a company's strength. A good foundation in the use of equity models is a key component to a successful modern wealth management practice. And the learning you've done today will pay dividends in terms of client satisfaction and business scalability once it's been applied. With all that said, let's get into today's course.